Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access the time insights on Google Calendar. If you go to the left panel, about halfway down, you're going to see Time Insights. If you click on the downward arrow, you're going to get a very brief description of the time that you're spending on whatever view you have set as the default view. Mine is 2 weeks. So it goes from March 3 to March 16, March 3, March 16. If your default view is something different, it'll show you something different. I don't really have any events here, so 0 hours in meetings, but this button right here, More Insights, this is kind of nifty. It opens up this big panel on the right-hand side of your screen, and it gives you a much more in-depth view of how you're spending your time based on your calendar events. It's kind of neat, very descriptive. You can get a much better handle on whether or not you're spending too much time working, not enough time working, that kind of stuff. Just a lot of really interesting data right there at your fingertips.